Hi, I'm Dr. Jason Graf, and I've sent you this video so that you can see just how unique my office truly is. On this video, you will hear from some of my existing patients that thought that they had run out of options and they did not want to face back surgery. Some of these patients already had back surgery and it was a failure and did not want to have a second one. Many of these patients that you will hear from suffered from one or multiple disc bulges, disc degeneration, sciatica, stenosis. Some even had treatment on their neck and arm pain. Now, you may suffer from a very similar condition and be skeptical that this procedure is just too good to be true. So please take a few minutes and listen to how I've changed their lives and can possibly change yours as well. At the end of the video, there's a very special offer for you. So please take the time to watch the video, and I hope to see you soon.
My name is Sherry Jo, and I'd just like to tell you how I used to feel. I used to have really severe back pain, sciatica nerve problems. I was walking around, dragging my feet. Felt like, I just could not make it, like I was an old, worn-out used car. And then I saw Dr. Graf on TV, and I thought, you know what, that's a great idea. I'm going to go to Dr. Graf and see if he can help me. I did not want to go through surgery. This is something that I feared, surgery. So I came and I saw Dr. Graf, and he ran a couple little tests on me and decided that I was a good candidate for his spinal decompression. I went through the program, and the staff and everything was wonderful, and Dr. Graf explained the process to me each time that I came in. And now I feel like, you know what, it's a new world out there. I feel young again. I can move, I can get up, and I can dance around if I want to, and I can bend over and touch the floor. And I highly recommend anyone who has any back pain whatsoever to come see Dr. Graf and see if you're a candidate for his spinal decompression.
Hello, my name is Willie Gore. I'm a retired colonel. I spent 28 years in the United States Army. 20 of those years I spent in the infantry, 6 of which I spent in airborne infantry, jumping out of airplanes. And during that time, I've injured my back many times. I'm sure I had many compression fractures as a result of some of my jumps. I've saw all type of treatment for my back over the years. The only thing that seemed to help me very successfully is the decompression therapy that I received from the spinal care of Wilmington here with Dr. Graf. I've gone for 9 months now since I had completed my treatment, and the constant back pain that I had in my lower back has gone away. And I've been able to continue my activities, playing golf and other things that I do, working around my yard. And it has really changed my life.
Hi, I'm Jacqueline Reed, and I wanted to let you know what a difference that spinal care and the decompression machine has made in my life. In fact, what it's done is it's given me my life back. I know that sounds very dramatic, but it's very true. A year ago, maybe 15 months ago, I was in such tremendous pain, chronic pain, and I was unable to bend, I was unable to tie my shoes, I was unable to shave my legs, and not to mention I was a very grumpy person because I hurt all the time. I heard about spinal care, I came for a free consultation, and I decided that I needed to take the risk in order to have a chance to feel better. I was amazed at how much better I actually felt. I feel normal. My pain level when I began was at the 8-9 range on a scale of 1 to 10, and when I ended it was a 1 to 2. And since that time, and I finished the treatments about a year ago, I've done nothing but get better. I am walking, I am exercising, I am bending, I am taking care of my 6-year-old nephew. Life is as normal as it could be, and the difference has been the spinal decompression.
Hello, my name is Al Brunges, and my wife was coming to Dr. Graf. Whenever I injured my back, I don't know exactly how. I'm in the burglar and firearm business, so I'm on ladders all the time, twisting and turning, and don't know exactly what I did or how, but I reached a point where I couldn't hardly get out of bed. Pain was excruciating. I could barely walk. And since my wife was coming here, she talked to Dr. Graf and got me an appointment. And I came in and we've done the therapy. I'm able to work a full day again, back at full speed, and the pain has really changed my life. Hi, I'm Jacqueline Reed, and I wanted to let you know what a difference that spinal care and the decompression machine has made in my life. In fact, what it's done is it's given me my life back. I know that sounds very dramatic, but it's very true. A year ago, maybe 15 months ago, I was in such tremendous pain, chronic pain, and I was unable to bend, I was unable to shave my legs. And now learn to do some things better that might cause me not to have injuries in the future. And I've been very, very pleased with what's happened, with me being able to get back to doing the things that I enjoy doing, and looking forward to full and complete recovery.
Hi, my name is Holly Green, and I came to Dr. Graf a little over 4 weeks ago for lower back pain. I was unable to move, sit, or walk with any kind of comfort at all. And since I've been coming to my sessions, I have been more ambulatory. I've been able to sit, move, walk, and just kind of return back to some normal functions that I had prior to hurting myself again about 4 weeks ago. A few days after I started my first session with Dr. Graf, I could notice an immediate difference. So I was very excited, and I was looking forward to future treatments with Dr. Graf, and was so happy that with each treatment I had, I continuously got better and better. So I'm so happy with the office and with the staff. They're amazing and great and very helpful and very supportive, and I would recommend spinal decompression in Dr. Graf's office to anyone who asks, and in fact I have already recommended. So hopefully he'll be seeing some more people, and some more people will have gotten some help just like I have.
I just finished with my last treatment today of the decompression, and I am so thankful I came here to have this done. For 11 years I have suffered with terrible back pain. I've had 2 surgeries. Neither one of them seemed to do me much good. But when I come here within 3 days, I was feeling so much better. It's really hard when you cannot do your dishes without hurting. You can't cook without hurting. And for so many years now, I couldn't even go shopping for more than 15 or 20 minutes at a time without hurting, being in excruciating pain. But I can honestly say I'm leaving here today feeling 90% better than I did when I come in here.
My name is Melissa King. I am a CVICU nurse in critical care, and before I came to the Spinal Care Center, I was having a lot of issues thinking I was going to have to actually change careers. I had gotten to the point where every day at the end of work I hurt so bad that ice and ibuprofen on a 24-hour day wasn't helping it. I ended up, it got to the point where even driving 2 to 3 hours just sitting was hurting. And I stopped doing things that I love doing, which is, you know, not something I want to do at my age. When I came here, I was thinking that this wasn't going to work, nothing was going to work. And after I went through the 20 treatments, I can now do my job, my 12 hours. I can ride in a car for hours with absolutely no problem that I was having before. And I would totally recommend it for anybody. If you love what you do and you don't want to change that because you have pain, then this might be the great option for you.
My name is Sandra Grant, and I'm just finishing my 20-week session with Dr. Jason Graf. Over some 25 years or so, I've gone from one chiropractor to another. And then I read about his ad in the newspaper and thought I'd give it a try. Well, I must tell you, it has been very successful. I no longer tossed all night trying to find a comfortable position to sleep in. I can stand at my kitchen sink and wash dishes and cook without the pain that I normally would have. So I must say, if you ever think about doing this, trying this treatment, my suggestion to you is a big yes. Go for it. It really does work.
I hope you enjoyed hearing these success stories. Even though many of these people were skeptical at first, they decided to try one last option with me before giving up all hope. As a way to get you over your possible skepticism, not only am I offering you a free evaluation, but I'll also let you test drive my unique treatments. So in addition to this free evaluation, you can also have 3 free treatments in order to see if I can help you. So I have shouldered all the risk. All you have to do is pick up the phone and call my office at 910-798-5560 and schedule your free evaluation and 3 free treatments. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to helping you soon.